Do you ever get sick of all this stuff? Forever chasing that elusive silver bullet? Buying product after product, hoping that this one is the one? The miracle moneymaker? Perhaps a miracle isn't what you need. Maybe you'd just like to finally make some money online. Maybe you're sick and tired of the whole thing, but thought you'd take a look at this anyway. One last shot. I get it. Been there, honestly, have absolutely been there. So let me get straight to the details of this for you. In 60 seconds, you could have your hands on 23,000 high quality PLR assets for just $12.95 for the whole lot. That's 0.0005 each, or less than a 20th of a cent each. But why would you want them? Well, look, I've done over $2 million in sales online, and it all started with one piece of PLR. And I paid $5 for that one piece. So if I can do 2 million with one, what could you do with 23,000? If you paid $5 each for them, you'd be spending $115,000 here today. So how about I give you a $114,987.50 discount? Sound fair? Imagine having your own giant product library ready to start selling in seconds. Of course, we should be charging more like $9.97 at least for this. So this is a complete no-brainer, and it is giant. Introducing the Giant PLR Kit, and take a look at the kind of quality you can expect to get. But what do 23,000 assets look like? Well, 5 ebooks look like this, 10 would look like this, this would be 50, this would be 500, this would be 3,000, and this would be 23,000. So many images that even made my fans kicking on my computer. Now look, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. And for me, that one piece of PLR literally changed my life. Hey, I'm Trevor. I'd like to say thanks to you for checking this out. I also want to say this, that it was only just a few years ago that I myself was typing into Google how to make money online. I found all sorts of opportunities, and I'm sure you've done the same. I bought a lot of products and they turned out to be completely useless, and they didn't make me a penny. It seems that the products that I was buying were making the product creators money by selling the product and not by the stuff that was taught inside the product. Sound familiar? So in the end, I decided that the way for me to make money online was to become a creator, a product vendor. And I took one piece of PLR, it cost me $5, and I turned that into $8,000 in my first launch. I then created a product called Pimper that taught people how to do what I'd just done with that one piece of PLR that did $8,000, and that launch did over $35,000. Fast forward to today, and I've done over $2 million in sales online. And I don't say that to brag, I just say that to show you what's possible, and it all came from one piece of PLR. Now in the Giant PLR Kit, we're offering you 23,000 PLR assets for such a small price that they'll end up costing you 0.0005 cents each, or 20th of a cent per PLR asset. Now PLR means private label rights, and that basically means that you can completely do whatever you want with them. You can rename them, rebrand them, put your name on them, you can pimp them, turn them into products that you can sell and keep all the money, or do what I like to do, which is use them as bonuses. You can absolutely skyrocket your commissions in your affiliate promotions by offering the right bonuses. And in these 23,000 assets, I'm sure you'll find something that fits really, really well. Of course, in this day and age of AI as well, you could take, for example, any of those 15,000 PLR articles and get them rewritten by AI, just like that, and you've got new products again. You could do that with any of the ebooks. In fact, you can use AI to recreate any of these PLR assets. They are yours to do with what you want. But the important thing is here is that I turned my business into a multi-million-dollar business from one piece of PLR, and you're getting 23,000. So if you're sick and tired of buying all the rubbish that really doesn't work, and you want something tangible, something that's got real value, something that can really make a difference in your online business, then the Giant PLR Kit is for you. Click on the buy button now, and I'll also throw in my original Pimper training ebook that teaches you how I took that one piece of PLR and pimped it into over $8,000 on my first launch. So you'll even have my secret recipe for success when it comes to making the most out of PLR. Now, I think we're possibly a few grapes short of the bunch for letting this go so cheaply, but that's all good for you. So go ahead and click on the buy button right away. You simply cannot lose with this, and it's covered by a full 30-day money-back guarantee.